Hey there, Falcons. This is Miss Holloway, your principal, here with Mr. Mingus helping me out. We want to welcome you to our open house on Monday, August 6th from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. on our campus. We expect everybody to be here so you can grab your schedule. You can meet teachers, pay fees. You can pick up your schedules outside of one of the pods. And you can pay fees in the high school front office. We'll talk more about fees in just a moment. You can also get bus stop information, pick up and drop off times. Bus drivers will be here in the high school cafeteria to speak with you about that. You can buy Falcon attire. We have some awesome attire ready to go, ready for you to order. A hoodie, long sleeve t-shirt, t-shirts. You can order those at the PTO table. And if you have any questions, we will have an information table set up at the picnic shelter. Let's talk about fees very quickly. Thank you, Mr. Mingus. If you have a high school physical or earth science class, you will owe $5 this semester. If you have biology or chemistry, that is a $10 fee. Math 1, 2, or 3 this semester, you will owe a $5 fee. Student drivers, you will owe a $5 fee for an It's My Call form and a $35 fee for a Forsyth Tech parking pass that can be purchased in the next 2 weeks from the Forsyth Tech building. All students will owe a $50 fee this year for Stokes Early College for your college classes. If you have any questions in the meantime, feel free to contact school. We look forward to seeing you on Monday. And remember, once a Falcon, always a Falcon. See you soon.